Hello guys, and welcome to adding media from YouTube and other services by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add YouTube videos to your WordPress website. So when you're creating posts, I'll show you how you can embed YouTube videos, and I'll also show you how you can embed other services apart from YouTube, as long as they allow you to add an embed code. Okay, so whatever service allows embed codes, they generate embed codes. You'll be able to add them to WordPress. So with the introduction out the way, let's get started with the video. So I'm currently logged into my WordPress dashboard and I'm at my Gutenberg editor. So for YouTube, let's see, I'm just gonna grab a video first. So I'm gonna copy this video URL. So to the first method I'm going to show you on how you can add a video or YouTube video is copying the URL. Okay, so just copy the video URL, go back to your editor here and click on this plus sign, and over here just type in YouTube. Okay, so YouTube actually has its own widgets, dedicated widgets, so you just type in or you paste the URL and click on embed. Okay, so once you do this, it's going to get this video from YouTube and it's going to embed it over here. Okay, so it's very easy to do. Just click on plus sign, search for YouTube, and you can get this added here. Okay, so that's for YouTube. If you have something, let's say you're trying to add an embed code for a video in another service like Vimeo or something of that sort, you can just use the YouTube widgets. This is specialized for YouTube. There's actually a widget for adding in embed codes. So we're just going to scroll down and look for custom HTML. Okay, so just select custom HTML, click on it, and inside here, this is where we're going to add an embed code. Okay, so I'll go back to YouTube and I'm just going to copy the embed code. So whatever service you're trying to get a video from or any form of media to embed on WordPress, they're going to provide you with an oEmbed code. They're going to provide you with an oEmbed code. So I'm going to copy the one on YouTube over here, and I'm going to paste it inside here. Okay, so this is the code. I'm going to get rid of this video so we can just have only this one. So once you something to note is when you copy an embed code into your editor, it's not really going to change to a video except you go over to preview. So I'm going to open this in a preview and let's see if this works. So this is the featured image, and after the featured image we have the embed code over here. So this definitely works. So you can do this for any service that allows you to that gives you oEmbed codes. So you just copy the embed code and add it into this HTML, custom HTML widget. And if it's for YouTube, you just search for YouTube over here. Okay, so it's very, very straightforward. You can do other things like let's see, you can click on preview from here and it's going to convert this directly if you want, or you can just preview the whole page. So if you want to convert this into the preview mode, just click on this, and that's basically it for adding oEmbeds to your WordPress website. It's very easy and straightforward. You copy the code, add it to custom HTML, you can preview, or you can just leave it like that to when the post is live. So I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.